GDRX stock analysis and price predictions for Tuesday. Is GoodRx Holdings stock a buy? Well, I'll be breaking this down in this quick and short 1 minute video. Especially with GDRX, this thing pumped very freaking nicely. What I also tell you is that I'll just get rid of all the previous data here. I'll just mark down the lows. There you go. And especially how things are looking like for me, it's yes, it's pumping, grabbing some liquidity, but most of the times these pumps end up in dumps. Well, how do I know this? Because it's grabbed the liquidity and it has nothing to do anymore and just crashes, right? Like, it's not just me yapping about it, bro. I've done my research, you know. I've done 45,000 videos, I've collected data, so I've seen what's working for me. And this is obviously like not financial advice, so please do your own due diligence. And all I will certainly be doing in the meantime is I'll just keep waiting for rules to be met. So that's how GDRX is looking like. And if you want to stay tuned and if you want to get free money making emails and insights, then just click the first link in the description and I'll continue to keep you updated. Goodbye.